There is the political Mahabharat being played out in the electoral fields of Punjab, and joining us now is the man who hopes to beat anti-incumbency to bring his party back to power. Once again, the Deputy Chief Minister of Punjab, Mr. Sukhbir Singh Badal. Thank you very much for speaking to Headlines today. The opinion poll that has been conducted by the India Today magazine seems to indicate that the ground is slipping from underneath the Akali feet, and this time the history of Punjab of not voting back the incumbent to power since 1966, it seems that history is about to get repeated, sir.
Actually, I've been watching this Indian Today polls quite a number of times in the year of the 2009 Parliament elections. That time, the same India Today poll said that only 1 out of 13 seats will be won by Akali Dal, and we got 5. And we nearly got 8, and Congress was down to 5. We know the ground realities. The word anti-incumbency is no more in the dictionary of Punjab. This is the first time Akali Dal is fighting on performance. If you look at our campaign, which we are doing, we are not talking about promises. Normally, governments or parties talk of promises, manifestos. We are talking of what we have done in 5 years. We are asking the people to judge and compare our 5 years tenure with the tenure of a Congress which was 5 years before us. Just compare these two tenures. Whomever you feel, we haven't saying that, whomever you feel have done more work, please vote for him.
Even if for a moment I were to believe that the exact figures might change, but the poll indicates a trend, and the trend seems to be that the Akalis and the BJP are coming down, the Congress is on the ascendant. That's the broad picture mega trend that's emerging from the poll.
That was a perception of people in Delhi, because they've always looked at their computers, and when they look at the computers, they'll search the last 30 years, and they see that every year, that every term, there's changes. So they cannot believe and cannot digest the fact that the things have changed. So they're still not sure how can it happen. We, being on the ground, know. And if you look at our whole campaign and we look at the response, about 1 month back we had a rally in Moga. There were lakhs and lakhs of people and spontaneous crowd. People came one night before. Normally rallies, nobody comes one night before in the winters. That was a natural response among the people. Why is the response? Because people have seen results. They have seen Star Prakash Singh Badal has done what he committed. If you look at power sector, the amount of power plants under construction, we will be the first power surplus state 1 year from now. Look at the airports. We got Mohali International Airport cleared, under construction. We got another one in Machhiwada cleared and land is under acquisition. We have another airport in Bathinda. We look at the road network. All major towns are under various stages of construction for 4-lane. And this clearly shows the total impact. People are generally feeling that there's a difference in the government. Reason why, if you look at a campaign, is focused is because of performance. And another thing, major factor, Congress till date has not contradicted or ever mentioned against our campaign, or they have not at all even once ever mentioned. Captain Amarinder Singh has never mentioned his 5 years tenure. When a person is leading a war or a general is leading a battle, at least he tells his people that, okay, this is what this is my credibility.
But